In American English. Sneeze. Sneeze.
In British English. Sneeze. Sneeze.
In Australian English. Sneeze. Sneeze.
In Welsh English. Sneeze. Sneeze.
Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and share the video. You can find similar videos for each and every English word in the dictionary here in this